Welcome back to Four Dudes Barbecue. Today we're making pizza.
Pizza on the barbecue?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's get
All right, you boys ready?
Yeah.
Let's get cooking.
Yeah.
All right, so what we got here on our pizza pills, we threw down some cornmeal, and now the boys are going to make our pizza crust into some circles. So go ahead and smooth those out, round them out.
We're going to make mine little.
So these are going to be approximately 12-inch pizzas. We're going to cook them on the Weber Smoky Joe. And I'll show you how I set that up in a minute. Okay, so we got our pizzas looking like pizzas. What's next, boys?
Put the sauce on and the cheese.
Good, let's go sauce first. Show you what they're looking like. So this was a refrigerated dough. I just cut into two and let them go ahead and circle them out. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's still going to taste like pizza. So you can put as much sauce as you want, or as little sauce as you want.
Remember, when we did the marshmallow one, always have a grown-up.
Always have a grown-up when we're barbecuing, right?
Yep. Don't do it by yourself. It's only completion if you don't take turns.
Okay, so they're going to finish the sauce. Alright, got the sauce good. What's next, boys?
Put the cheese on.
Alright, sprinkle that cheese.
What? When did we never come?
Well, these boys are just making cheese pizzas today. You can always add whatever toppings you want. For Mommy and me, we're going to have pepperonis and olives. So this is just a 6-cheese blend. Mozzarella, provolone, Asiago, Parmesan. Good stuff. Looking good, boys. And again, we got that cornmeal on the pizza pills. That way when we slide it onto our barbecue, it doesn't stick. And while they're doing that, let me show you how I set up our barbecue. So this is our Weber Smoky Joe, and what I bought to put inside there is a pizza stone. So we're going to be cooking our pizzas on that. They recommend getting this up to about 500 degrees and letting it sit there for a good 30 minutes before you put the pizza on. And you can see, I popped the lid, so you can see it on our Inkbird. It'll pop up. There you go. 450. It was about 520 or so before I took the lid off, so it gets up there. It gets nice and hot. Alright, got our pizza here. You can see with that cornmeal, that pizza slides around, that raw dough's not going to stick. So we'll take our lid off, slide our pizza on. Looking good. Then we'll cover it back up. Alright, we took one pizza off. Looks pretty good to me. Let's go ahead and throw on that second one. Alright, let's slice. Alright, boys, go ahead and have a taste. So this is Four Dudes Barbecue Pizza Edition, cooked on the Weber Smoky Joe. Good, buddies? Alright. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, slam that like button, right, boys?
Yeah.
Alright.
Four Dudes Barbecue.
That's right. So we're going to go ahead and finish cooking up some more pizzas, and stay tuned for more videos. See you guys.